are wondering how long the electrical jackets or vests actually lasts on a single charge. Okay, so it actually depends on what you are using to power them. So for example, if you use a tiny small power bank like this, then for example on the medium or low setting, you can expect to get 1 hour runtime. So I would say on normal low setting around 1 hour basically. So if you actually use a large one, so maybe like 20,000 milliamp hour, so you can easily get like whole day basically runtime on the jackets. So again, it really depends on the size of it. So if you also run it from your power tool batteries, maybe you have some Makita or Milwaukee jacket, then again it can run pretty much the whole day on usable setting from one single like decent size battery. But again, they are actually quite huge, so maybe I suggest to simply get a power bank, maybe get a couple of them and swap them over, because if you actually place a huge battery inside the jacket, it really weighs you down, and I really suggest simply use a few smaller ones. Okay, let's check the actual power consumption of this jacket. So it's currently on the high mode, and on the high, as you can see, it consumes 9 watts pretty much. When we turn it to the medium mode, so it drops and it consumes so like 6 watts, a bit more maybe. So when we turn all the way down to the minimum mode, so it takes some time to drop. So as you can see, it uses only 3 watts, 3.5, around that. So as you can see, these do not consume much battery at all. So even from a small like battery cell, this can actually run for fairly decent amount of time. Also, even if 9 watts on the high mode doesn't sound too much, then actually on the high mode I can't really wear it. So I simply turn it on for maybe like 3 minutes or 5 minutes on the high mode, and then turn it all the way down to the low mode. And on the low mode, where it consumes like 4 watts, it's plenty for me. But again, this is also kind of insulated as well jacket. Maybe you get a hoodie which isn't as insulated, maybe again you will need to use a bit more power. But again, 5 watts, it provides actually pretty decent like warmth to you. So, and yeah, in basically maybe in a super freezing condition, if you do not have anything else on you, maybe you can use it on the high, and then again it will consume around 9 to 10 watts basically, depending on your jacket obviously. Anyway, good luck.